Hello, I'm Scott L.B. Williams from WiscLift, and this is Telelift. Telelift is a drone-based dynamic network, something similar to a flying cell tower or Wi-Fi spot. Dynamic networks is a change in mindset. It's about thinking that we're not replacing permanent infrastructure, but maybe we don't always need permanent infrastructure. So fiber is a great thing, but sometimes you need to be able to extend that fiber to go a further distance. And that's where things like a flying cell tower are really valuable. So it's changing the way we approach technology. WiscLift designs and does their research with real world problems. So it's always starting with the customer and what's going to be done, and then we go out and figure out how to solve it. It's not done in a research lab or academia. We're actually trying to do those difficult tasks that are out there, like how do we get a network in a hurricane or a flood situation? How do we save lives and get networks to fill those gaps? And that's where our technology has emerged from.